jaw, like it was built to break.
Hey guys, Eve here, and today we're doing another makeup rewind. This month we're heading into the 1950s. So I always thought that the makeup from the 1960s was my aesthetic, but then when I looked into the makeup of the 1950s, I realized that it's equally as gorgeous. It's beautiful. This is the decade when they really started to incorporate technical work into their makeup. So if you guys want to see how I got this 1950s inspired makeup look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyes as always, and then we're heading into the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This is the Plum Quad, and I'm grabbing that base shade and using this as my transition shade. I'm blending this pretty much all over my eye. I started putting it just in the crease, but then I realized it's the 1950s. We're just going to put it all over the eyes, keep it really simple. Then dipping into that contour shade, I'm putting that all over the lid, up into the crease, blending it into the base shade. I am dragging that color out into the outer V just to make sure that it gives me more of a angular shape. Doing some reverse blending with that base shade to ensure a smooth gradient. Then heading into that highlight shade, putting that onto my brow bone really lightly. To line my eyes, I'm using my Urban Decay liner in the shade Stag, drawing a smooth line across my upper lash line, and then smudging it out with an angle brush. I'm actually going to smudge this into a cat eye shape. So dragging it really far up towards the brow, and then afterwards I'll clean it up with concealer. For foundation, I'm grabbing my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in one shade darker than my skin tone, a la 50s. Then using the Butter Bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face a little bit underneath my cheekbones and around the perimeters of my face. For blush, I'm grabbing my Wet n Wild Ombre blush in the shade Princess Daiquiris, putting that onto the apples of my cheeks and blending it towards my temples. Cleaning up my contour using my RCMA No Color powder, and defining my lower lash line by smoking out that base shade. Afterwards, I can brush away the bake and spray some setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And while my face is still drying, I'm going to grab my Physicians Formula Glow Pearls in the shade Translucent Pearl and put that onto all the high points of my face, and on my cupid's bow, my nose, my brow bone, and my inner corners. I'm going to set my eyebrows with some Pixie Clear Brow Gel, curl my lashes to prep for mascara. And today for mascara, I'm using my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This is a volumizing and defining mascara, and that's exactly what we need for this type of look. I'm putting this mascara on my upper lashes and my lower lash line. And finally for lips, I'm grabbing my Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Bonnie. We're going to overline the lips a little bit and try to round out the lips at the same time. Clean up any mistakes and define your shape with a little bit of concealer. I use the Tarte Shape Tape. Alright guys, so this is the completed makeup look. I'm kind of in love with it. Now, a lot of 1950s looks stayed pretty monochromatic, and I went a little out of the box with that, but they also encouraged more creativity with makeup at this time. So I don't really mind the outcome, and I just think it's really pretty. If you guys like the Makeup Rewind series, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you like me, go ahead and click that subscribe button right down below. Big shout out to Diane Huang. You're so sweet. Thank you so much for commenting on my video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow.